My first culinary breakthrough was a great chef and mentor of mine. Had a sous chef who totally destroyed this sauce and told that person to give it to me to fix because I can make a pile of bleep taste good. Mint chocolate chip ice cream, Guinness floats. That's about it. Something about myself that not many people know is that I'm a commercial rated pilot. It's what I went to school for. Always cooked in college for beer money and rent, and after 9/11 it just kind of seemed the right thing to do and the right path to take. The weirdest thing I ever ate was kimchi squid, which was quite interesting. Probably won't try that one again. Best meal on earth would be a pan of my mom's lasagna and a keg of Guinness. My family, my wife Christy, my 5-year-old daughter Kate, tried to spend as much time with them as possible, and the occasional round of golf to alleviate any stress that might be lingering.